This video will help you with game dev. I know, bold statement, but here is how. I will be making two games using two most popular game engines, Unreal Engine 4 and Unity 3D. You will see real workflows of these engines and you can decide which one you like the best and which one suits your needs the best. What am I making? I will make a simple 3D platformer similar to Mario or Crash Bandicoot. I will create simple menu to see UI features of each engine, character movement, coins, life system and one level. I will use assets from the asset god himself, Kenny. Everything you see here is available for free, links below the like button. Let's go! My experience in this engine, I'm currently making open world RPG and I participated in 3 game jams. It's a free engine and some small games were made by it. Not sure if you heard of any of them. You can use C++ or blueprints, which are form of visual scripting, to add logic to your game. In this video I will show you how to use blueprints. Unreal has prepared some basic templates for you to check when you are just starting. As this is a 3D platformer, I chose the third-person character demo, which already has some basic movement with animations done. Let's create our first visual script, a collectible. It can be, for example, coin or life in this game. All we need to do is add a 3D object into the world, add a box around it, and a small logic saying when the player enters this box, add him either a life or a coin. Now let's go to the engine and do it in game. I added simple box as a placeholder and added collision box around it. Blueprint node or function responsible of handling the collision with player is named onBeginOverlap. First we need to check if it's a player, and if it is, let him collect either a life or coin. Creating logic for your games can be really simple if you divide tasks into small subtasks. You just learn how to work with collisions. What can we do? A lot. Let's take for example spikes that need to hurt player. Easy. Add a collision and instead of adding a life, just take one away. As this is a not tutorial, it's more like an overview of the workflows. I won't go into super details, but if you want a small tutorial on how to make this simple game, just let me know. Now let's look at the UI features. Currently, lives and coins are just variables in character blueprint. We need to show the player their value, so let's create a simple UI. To work with UI in Unreal, you need to use widgets. When you create a widget, you can design it in this window and add the logic in the blueprints tab. I've added 2 text objects and set them to display character lives and coins. To display this widget, we need to add it into viewport. And our basic game is done. You can collect stuff, jump, fall, respawn, move boxes and finish the level. I made this game really quickly, but that's mainly because I used this game a lot recently. Let's look at some advantages and disadvantages of this engine. In my opinion, the advantages are blueprints, a lot of features, great community and really big marketplace. Disadvantages of this engine: it can be overwhelming at the beginning just because it has a lot of features. C++ is pretty hard to learn and I prefer C#. It has smaller community compared to Unity, but there's still a lot of tutorials out there, and it has mediocre documentation. The second part of this video, where I'll be making Unity game, is coming soon. Thanks so much for watching, you are the best. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss it. Leave a like, let's talk in the comments, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!